Samsung's The Terrace costs $3,500. But do we even need outdoor TVs? The new line of weather-resistant cold TVs is shipping now, along with an optional patio-friendly soundbar. This summer the easing of coronavirus, stay-at-home restrictions means, you might get to spend some time at the beach or the park after all. Even so, the resumption of normal life won't happen all at once. Chances are, you're still going to be at home more than usual and, yes, watching more TV than ever. And now Samsung has a TV that lets you do it on the veranda. Yay, you heard it right. Dubbed the Terrace, the new cold television starts at a hefty $3,500 for the 55-inch size, and goes up from there. That's roughly 4 times the price of an equivalent indoor Samsung TV and 10 times as much as budget models cost. But for the outlay, you'll get something designed from the ground up, to survive outdoors. The Terrace is water and dust resistant, rated to IP55, enough to withstand contact with harmful dust, and low-pressure water projected from a nozzle. For reference, the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra are both rated higher, to IP68, but to be fair, a TV mounted on a patio probably doesn't need as much protection as a phone. Hopefully your TV won't drop in the pool. Another slick feature is the built-in HBASET receiver, which can pair with an optional HBASET transmitter to deliver video from source devices inside the house, such as a cable box or game console, via a single Ethernet cable. If you wanted to keep your gear outside, there's a special sealed, protected media bay, designed for connected devices. 8.3 inches wide by 10.6 inches high, by 1 inch deep. Of course the Terrace also has Wi-Fi, and a suite of built-in apps, like the company's standard TVs, which makes for even easier setup. Samsung also touts the TV's high brightness, 2000 nits, anti-reflective screen technology, and adaptive brightness. Those features are typical for a high-end LCD TV, but even more, welcome outdoors, where the image has to compete with sunlight. In my tests, Samsung's indoor TVs perform very well in bright environments, and I expect the Terrace to look as good as any TV can outside. Other picture quality features include 4K HDR compatibility, full array local dimming, 120Hz and Samsung's quantum processor 4K with AI. Speaking of looks, Samsung went with a standard matte black frame with a 10mm bezel and 59mm cabinet depth, which should allow the TV to blend in nicely with your outdoor ironwork. The matching soundbar, $1,200 price, model HWLSD70T, is also IP55 rated, with sound tailored for the outdoors by the company's Audio Lab in California. It connects to the TV via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and also accepts Alexa voice commands, like Samsung's standard soundbars. But doesn't include a subwoofer. A special Terrace TV mounting kit is included with the bar. So is the Terrace worth the price? Samsung rightly points out that most people who want an outdoor TV buy a cheap indoor set instead, and put it on the deck. A couple of years ago, I advised a family member to buy an indoor TV for his poolside gazebo, rather than splurge on an outdoor model. And that set is still going strong. And here's a smart tip: protect the TV with a waterproof cover, and unplug it during storms. Until now the biggest name in outdoor TVs was Sunbright, and its sets are expensive too, starting at $2,000 for a 55-inch model. That TV is designed for full shade, so I'm sure the Terrace is much brighter, and likely performs a lot better. Either way, until these true outdoor TV come down in price, it's tough to see most customers taking the plunge. With budget 55-inch models, starting at around $300, you're still way ahead if 1 or 2, or 5, get fried by the weather. I have provided purchase links below in YouTube description box. This also contains links for many other interesting and unique products that you cannot come across through Google search. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel for future videos from my channel product reviews. Also click on the bell icon. Please give me a thumbs up by hitting on the like button. Also comment if you have any queries. I try my best to clarify your doubt. Thanks for watching. This is Jason Peter, signing off.